What's up, Pirate Nation? Arrow Pirate here, and yes, as you can tell, I got my hair cut. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for this. The Blizzard Legacy Collection Trading Cards box. So we're going to get stuff from World of Warcraft, Overwatch, and a lot of other games that Blizzard has made. I'm hoping more for Overwatch cards, because Overwatch is the only game that I've actually played from Blizzard. Though my dad has a friend who actually worked on World of Warcraft. I think he was like one of the co-designers. So yeah. Anyways, let's open this up. And right inside we get gotta spell it really quickly. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different card packs. So let's open them up one by one. I'll put the others right here for now. And yeah. So on the front we have this girl here. And I don't know what game she's from, so if any of you guys know this, comment below, unless we find the name, but you guys can comment who's your favorite character from any Blizzard media. It can be Overwatch, it can be World of Warcraft, it can be any other Blizzard game that I don't know of. Alright, so we got Bran Bronzebeard. We got the Retro Arcade Collection. We got Sombra. We got Archimonde. We got Gul'dan. We got Tassadar. We got Drone. And Bal. Alright, so that is our first pack. And we're going to sort these into groups. So these are the cards that say SC. And we've got the World of Warcraft ones, the Overwatch ones. And we'll put this retro card in its own pile. Alright. Now then, on to our next pack. And they want to come out. We got Hanzo Shimada. We got Roadhog. Oi, Roadie. We got Malfurion Stormrage. And he is new, so we'll put him in his own pile. We've got Maiev Shadow Song. I don't know if my camera's really focusing on these. Okay, there we go. We got another Gul'dan, but this is a different version. We have Arthas Menahil, so he looks pretty cool. We got Terran Gorfiend and Cho'Gall. Alright, so let's just fix these piles. Okay, I'll just put that to the side. Alright, so we got that, those, these, here, and there. Alright, our next pack. And let's see. We got Elaria Windrunner. And she'll go here. We got Lunara. And she'll start her own pile, I think. Yeah. We got Moradin Bronzebeard. So another one of them. Tyrande Whisperwind. And she'll go here. Sylvanas Windrunner. Duriel. Sargeras. and Belial. Right there. Alright, move this one out of the way. And we've got 4 more to go. Let's hope for some more Overwatch cards. We got Moradin Bronzebeard. Oh, wrong pile. Wait, oh, over here actually. We got Brigitte. We got Rexxar. He goes right here. We got Malfurion Stormrage again. We got Golem. We got Lady Vashi. Anduin Lothar. And Zergling. Alright, we're about halfway done here. Kind of, because 7's an odd number, so yeah. I hope we get a card with Reaper Junkrat. We got Kael'thas Sunstrider. He goes here. We got Sigma. We got Orphea. We got Raynor. Sidea. We got Inarius. We got Uther Lightbringer. And Leah. Two more left. Junkrat or Reaper, please. Alright, we got... Okay, that's pretty cool. We got Murky. We got Tyrael. That's pretty cool as well. We got Medivh. We got... This one looks interesting. Oh, and this is actually a, Oh, this is part of a cube. The Horadric Cube from... Let's see. From Diablo. So we got a piece of the Horadric Cube. We'll put that to the side for now. And we'll pop that on in a minute. We got Manaroth. We got Kurdrin Wildhammer. We got Probe. And Blackhand. And now one more pack. Please, Reaper, Junkrat, both. Or at least another member of Talon. Could be Widowmaker, Doomfist, Moira. Alright, we got Valera Sanguinar right here. We got Brightwing. We got Deathwing. 2 wings in a row. We got Marine. We got Tychus Finlay. We got Valerian Mengsk. And another Tyrande Whisperwind. And Chen's Stormstout. Alright, now give me a moment to sort everything out. So it looks like all in all, we got World of Warcraft had the most cards, which is to be expected because it's their most popular franchise. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 World of Warcraft cards. Then onto Diablo, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 Diablo cards. Then for StarCraft, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 StarCraft cards. Then we got for Hearthstone, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards. Then for Overwatch, we only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. And lastly is Heroes of the Storm, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards. So that means that out of all of them, we got the most World of Warcraft cards, then Heroes of the Forge, then Hearthstone, then StarCraft and Diablo are tied, and then Overwatch had the least amount of cards. So yeah, and actually I just realized that this Hanzo card, I don't know if any of the other ones had this problem, but it looks like the Hanzo card actually belongs to its own separate pile, because it looks like it has a different logo from the other ones. And, so as you can tell, this is the one that Hanzo has, which kind of looks different from the Overwatch symbol, if you know what it looks like. So it looks like Hanzo is actually his own card, but he's also part of Heroes of the Storm. Unless maybe I put... Oh, okay. I got some of them mixed up. Turns out Deathwing is actually part of the Hearthstone one, which I didn't realize until just now. And it looks like Hanzo is actually part of the Heroes of the Storm. So yeah. That was a little whoopsie-daisy on my part. So yeah, we'll just put this one back in its place. It's 134. Alright, now we've just gotta bring back this one, the Retro Arcade Collection, which players can play as Kyle Blackthorn to fight monsters and free the Androthi people, or play as the Lost Vikings to get them back home. They can also hit the racetrack with weaponized vehicles and rock and roll racing. But it doesn't look like this one actually belongs to any of the other categories, so that's interesting. And lastly, we have our Horadric Cube. And this one has Malthael on it. And this is the 4th piece. And if it's a cube, I'm thinking that there are 6 pieces. So we have the 4th piece of the cube. Don't know if I'll get any more of these card packs in the future, but if so, I wonder if we'll be able to collect all the pieces. So yeah, here's our piece of the Horadric Cube out of the cardboard. And there it is on the back again. So, yeah. Anyways, that was it for this video, guys. Remember to smash the subscribe button, hit the like button as well, type in the comments, who was your favorite Blizzard character from any of the games mentioned, or if there's a game that wasn't here that you liked. But yeah. Anyways, stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't leave, but I'll see you guys there. Peace out, Pirate Nation.